Good morning, guys. Welcome back to your certified Mexican. Today, or actually this week, is gonna be a special week. Just because we might have the engine in the car. Oh my god, this is like a scary moment slash feeling because I really want this to work this time. But who knows what will happen, so we'll find out. Today we're gonna do the clutch. We're gonna put the clutch on the car. We're going to put the transmission on the engine, and I'm supposed to be getting the valve cover as well. That's the finishing touch in order for me to put the engine in the car. Without that, I can't put it on, but I would prefer to put it on with the valve cover, because it gets a little bit uncomfortable and a little bit crowded in the back near cylinder 6 to tighten those bolts of the valve cover, and they need to be like torqued down and things like that. So I'd rather just put it in with the valve cover. But yeah, anyways, stay tuned and here it goes. And here it is. The engine with the outlets, turbos. This is not the valve cover that's gonna go on. New injectors right there. New 2-step holder spark plugs right there. And for today we have a stage 3 plus spec clutch. This was one of the reasons why my engine threw a bearing. And then right here we have a resurfaced flywheel that we're gonna put on as well. Alternator, AC, transmission bolts, and the transmission itself. Oh, and this coolant hose that I broke when taking off the engine. It happens. It happens if you're mad because you just blew up your N54. But it is what it is. Here we are now. Alright guys, quick update. My hair's messed up, but we're still at this. So there's the clutch, all torqued down. Hopefully this one doesn't freaking spin. The flywheel got resurfaced, brand new clutch, so should be good. I'll show you the old disc. This is the old disc right here. As you can see, it was slipping all around. Right there. But yeah, here's the new one. Just a little update. I'm gonna do the transmission next, and then still waiting on that valve cover to come. No signs of the FedEx guys. I think I'm gonna have to throw a fit at them, but we'll see. We shall see. And the work continues. Ooh, exciting stuff. Might put it in today. I really think so. We'll see. Oh. As you can see, I am sweating. It's hot because Florida, you know, and it takes some finagling to get this transmission on, but nonetheless, it is on. Clutch is in, transmission is mounted. FedEx guy still hasn't showed up. But let's continue with the movement. I really want to put the valve cover on like before I put the engine in, because the engine goes at an angle right here and the valve cover goes all around here, and there's just isn't enough room for it to for me to want to do that inside the engine. But yeah, just a quick update. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil on daily right there. I got the oil stuff. Meanwhile, the FedEx guy gets here hopefully soon, and hopefully they don't go to the wrong address. Shake my head at them. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Came to the right address. Yeah, buddy. I'm so proud of them. They actually brought it to the right address this time. You know what that means? You know what that means. Oh, thank you, FedEx. You've done me well. Yes, yes. One step closer. One step closer. Keep watching. Alright guys, quick update. I put all the accessories on: alternator, AC unit, compressor, and then whoa, what's that? This is the power steering pulley. And I also put on the motor mounts, solid motor mounts right here. That's all good. So now I'm gonna do the valve cover, which came in, by the way, as I said earlier. I'll take this one off, put on the new one, and keep moving forward. So much work, but we're getting there. We're getting there, little by little. Alright guys, so my camera died and I wasn't able to record what I did. Either way, I'll show you now. So I did the valve cover. As you can see, it looks brand new. Put on the fuel rail as well. Sorry for the noise in the back. My neighbors over here are pressure cleaning. So yeah, this valve cover makes the engine look so much better just because it's new. It makes the whole engine look new actually, but it's not. So transmission's on. I took the hood off, as you can see over here. Hood's here, right there, because last time I put some dent in the hood. The crane was hitting it this way and it made some dent in it, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you. That's why I took it off this time. I'm really debating on, look, 1, 2, 3. New hood? New hood? Oh no. I'm really debating on putting in the engine. Oh, this is the coolant hose that I broke. I bought it and put it in. But yeah, I'm really debating on putting the engine in, or attempting to, because last time I tried, but I didn't do it the first day. I did it the second day. For some reason it came out easier. But yeah, that's the update for right now. Hopefully the camera doesn't die this time, and I'll do a quick time lapse of me putting the engine in, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's the next day and the engine's in. Yeah, buddy. There it is. There it is. Finally back inside. As you can see, I created a mess. I'm gonna clean that up today. Can't wait to start it. Oh my god. There's still some stuff I gotta buy, like O2 sensors. I'm gonna buy new coil packs, things like that. Small stuff, but nonetheless, it's still very important stuff. And hopefully within the next 2 weeks, I want to say, I want to get the first start. I can't wait. I can't freaking wait. Jesus. It's been so long. It's been almost a year without this car, man. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for future content. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see once this car is back up in the road. And yeah, appreciate you. Thanks for joining your Certified Mexican.